Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of Izingani's Tembu returns for season 3. South Africans are buzzing with excitement as Mzansi Magic officially confirms the return of Izingani's Tembu for its highly anticipated third season. The hit reality TV show, a Musamseleko production, is set to perform on Sunday, May 25, 2025. Entertainment commentator Jabu McDonald broke the news on social media, sharing the announcement with his followers. He tweeted, Izingani's Tembu has been renewed for the third season. Mzansi Magic's publicist Ivan provided some insights into what viewers can expect from the upcoming season, while specific details remain under wraps. Fans can anticipate deeper explorations into the lives of the Mseleko children as they navigate family, relationship, and their own personal growth. Shortly after the news broke, social media was flooded with reactions from excitement viewers, while many fans expressed approval for the new season. Some questioned certain casting choices. Twitter user had mixed opinions, with one Mlisiwe saying, Mina, I want Sneh to have her own reality show. Another user, @mel_for_vibes, asked, are they all Mselego's kids or just from different Tembu families? However, one of the biggest talking points came from @Batimake, who questioned why is Jirelo there because she's just a girlfriend. The return of Izingani's Tembu is said to bring more drama, emotional moment, and side access to the unique dynamics of the Mseleko family, with fans anticipate at an all-time season 3 promises to be one of the most talked about seasons yet. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Till we meet in the next video.